On behalf of Geo-Institute President Jihan and the GI Board of Governors, thank you for joining us for the 2024 Geo-Institute Awards presentation. Both the Geo-Institute and the American Society of Civil Engineers have rich histories of honoring members who make significant contributions to civil engineering and the geo profession. We are pleased to honor the 2023-2024 award winners today. We begin with the awards conferred by ASCE for achievement in the field of geotechnical engineering. Since 1963, the Carl Terzaghi Lecture has been given annually by an individual chosen in recognition of exemplary contributions to the field of geotechnical engineering. The 2024 Carl Terzaghi Lecture is given by Andrew Whittle and is titled Soil Models in Prediction, Design, and Geotechnical Problem Solving. The Geo-Institute has selected Dr. Andrew Whittle to present the Terzaghi Lecture in recognition of groundbreaking contributions in the formulation of constitutive models for representing the complex mechanical properties of soils and their application in predicting the performance of foundations and underground construction projects. He has published more than 250 papers in refereed journals and conferences and received several important awards for his work from ASCE. He was the 2007 CGS Cross Canada Lecturer and the 2018 ASCE GI Cross USA Lecturer. In 2010, he was elected to the National Academy of Engineering. Dr. Whittle is the Edmund K. Turner Professor in Civil Engineering at Massachusetts Institute of Technology. The Arthur Casagrande Professional Development Award is presented in recognition of outstanding accomplishments as evidenced by completed works, reports, or papers in the field of geotechnical engineering. The 2024 Arthur Casagrande Professional Development Award is given to Dr. Naveed Jafari for his pioneering work on coastal geotechnics and coastal protection using hard and natural infrastructure. Dr. Jafari is the Wilbur D. and Camille V. Fuglar Jr. Professor of Engineering at Louisiana State University. The H. Bolton Seed Medal recognizes outstanding contributions to teaching, research, and/or practice in geotechnical engineering. The 2024 H. Bolton Seed Medal is awarded to Dr. Kyle Rollins in recognition of his creative, unique, and implementable contributions to geotechnical earthquake engineering, which include but are not limited to liquefaction testing and analysis and ground and pile response analysis. Dr. Rollins is a professor at the Ira A. Fulton College of Engineering, Civil and Construction Engineering at Brigham Young University. Established in 1999 in honor of Ralph B. Peck, this award is presented for outstanding contributions to the geotechnical engineering profession through the publication of a thoughtful, carefully researched case history or histories, or the publication of recommended practices or design methodologies based on the evaluation of case histories. The 2024 Ralph B. Peck Award Lecture is awarded to Jorge Zornberg in recognition of his unique insight through carefully researched case histories that significantly widen the portfolio of options to remediate an old yet persistent problem in geotechnical engineering, the distress in roadways associated with the presence of expansive clays. Dr. Zornberg is a professor and Joe J. King Chair in Engineering at the University of Texas at Austin. This award and lecture is established to honor Shamsher Prakash for his contributions to geotechnical engineering and soil dynamics. The award and lecture will be presented annually to a younger geotechnical engineer, 50 years of age or younger, for outstanding research or professional practice contributions in the area of geotechnical engineering or soil dynamics. The 2024 Shamsher Prakash Award Lecture is awarded to Dr. Brady Cox. and is titled What Spatial Area Influence Seismic Site Response. The Geo-Institute has selected Dr. Cox in recognition for his significant contributions to soil dynamics and geotechnical earthquake engineering, including development of dynamic in situ tests for advanced soil liquefaction evaluations, efforts to quantify uncertainty in surface wave methods, and investigating the spatial area that influences seismic site response. Dr. Cox is a professor in the Civil and Environmental Engineering Department at Utah State University. The Martin S. Kapp Foundation Engineering Award is a memorial in recognition of the outstanding professional accomplishments of Martin S. Kapp. The 2024 Kapp Award winner is Dr. Michael Mooney in recognition for innovations in forward prediction of tunnel-induced ground deformation and tunnel boring machine cutting toolware applied to overcome very complex urban conditions on the Northeast Boundary Tunnel project in Washington, D.C. Dr. Mooney is the Grucock Chair Professor of Underground Construction and Tunneling at the Colorado School of Mines. The Thomas A. Middlebrooks Award recognizes the authors of a paper that has been judged worthy of special commendation for its merit as a contribution to geotechnical engineering. The 2023 Thomas A. Middlebrooks Award is given to the paper Development of Subsurface Geological Cross-Section from Limited Site-Specific Boreholes and Prior Geological Knowledge Using Iterative Convolution XGBoost, which appeared in the ASCE Journal of Geotechnical and Geoenvironmental Engineering. This paper tackles a long-standing geotechnical challenge of subsurface stratigraphy from limited boreholes and develops an innovative image-based machine learning algorithm called Iterative Convolution Extreme Gradient, ICXGBoost, which can automatically develop and update subsurface geological cross-sections from sparse site-specific data and a single training image reflecting prior geological knowledge at the site of interest. Dr. Shi is an assistant professor in geotechnical engineering at City University of Hong Kong. Dr. Wang is a professor in the Department of Architecture and Civil Engineering at City University of Hong Kong. The 2023 J. James R. Crows Medal goes to the paper Probabilistic Structural System Response to Differential Settlement Resulting from Spatially Variable Soil, published in the Journal of Geotechnical and Geoenvironmental Engineering. The paper provides a new framework for the systematic evaluation of building performance criteria and is well suited for the evaluation of reinforced concrete and timber structures that is fully compatible with the continued adoption of reliability-based and performance-based design codes. Dr. Studlein is a professor in the Department of Civil and Construction Engineering at Oregon State University. Dr. Huffman is an associate geotechnical engineer at GRI. Dr. Barbosa is a professor in the Department of Civil and Construction Engineering at Oregon State University, and Dr. Vallejo is a design engineer at SEFT Consulting Group. The Opal Leadership Awards honor outstanding civil engineering leaders whose significant accomplishments contributed in one of 5 categories, one of which is management, for exceptional management skills in their professional career. The 2023 Opal Award in Management winner is Mary Ellen Bruce Large. The Opal Awards are given to model civil engineers who have demonstrated outstanding lifetime achievement, leadership, and a long-term commitment to excellence. Ms. Large is the Client Care Program Manager, Regional Business Development at Nicholson Construction. The Collingwood Prize is awarded to the author or authors under 35 years of age of a paper describing an engineering project with which the author is directly connected, or recording investigations contributing to engineering knowledge to which the author has contributed some essential contributions and which contains a rational digest of results. The 2023 Collingwood Prize goes to the paper Field Implementation of Microbially Induced Calcium Carbonate Precipitation for Surface Erosion Reduction of a Coastal Plain Sandy Slope, published in the Journal of Geotechnical and Geoenvironmental Engineering. The paper presents a study that demonstrates design steps, implementation, and results of the field application of microbially induced carbonate precipitation. Dr. Ghassemi is a postdoctoral researcher at North Carolina State University. Dr. Montoya is a professor in the Department of Civil Construction and Environmental Engineering at North Carolina State University. The ASCE President's Award is made annually to an ASCE member who has given distinguished service advancing civil engineering and protecting the health, safety, and welfare of the public at large. The 2023 ASCE President's Award winner is Beatrice Hunt for her dedicated service to ASCE and public safety as a hydraulic engineer working on bridges and bridge scour nationwide. Bridge scour is the #1 cause of bridge collapse in our country, accounting for 60% of all failures. Ms. Hunt has worked tirelessly to improve public safety and make our bridges more resilient for scour and sustainable at river crossings. Ms. Hunt is a principal hydraulic engineer at AECOM. The Geo-Institute has also established awards to recognize those individuals whose contributions have helped advance the goals of the Institute and the profession. The Geo-Institute President's Award is given in recognition of long-time and significant contributions to the Geo-Institute and geotechnical engineering profession. Dr. Robert Holtz is the recipient of the inaugural 2024 Geo-Institute President's Award. Dr. Holtz has been an active leader of the Geo-Institute for nearly 30 years and has made invaluable contributions to the field of geotechnical engineering. His work has been instrumental in the growth of the GI and AGP, and he has been a mentor to many of the Institute's active members. Dr. Holtz has served as the GI's International Secretary and President, as well as leading the ASCE Seattle Section's Geotechnical Group. Dr. Holtz has served as chair and editor for the Journal of Geotechnical Engineering and has served on many of the Institute's volunteer committees. Dr. Holtz is a professor emeritus in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering at the University of Washington. The Wallace Hayward Baker Award is a memorial award honoring the creative and innovative contributions of Wallace Hayward Baker in the field of ground modification and is given in recognition of ingenious innovation in this field. The 2024 Wallace Hayward Baker Award winner is Dr. Alan Sain for his 42 years' experience in the ground improvement industry, developing and implementing many of the industry's design methodologies for deep soil mixing, soil grouting, and aggregate piers. Dr. Sain is retired from Keller North America. The Harry Schnabel Jr. Award is a memorial award honoring Harry Schnabel's accomplishments in the field of earth-retaining structures. This award encourages continued excellence and innovation by those making a career in the earth-retaining structures industry. The 2024 Harry Schnabel Jr. Award winner is Mr. John Wolosik for his outstanding contributions to the field of geotechnical engineering, specifically in the areas of micropile design, slope stabilization, anchored earth retaining systems, and ground improvement. Mr. Wolosik is a senior advisor for Keller North America. The C.L. Monosmith Lecture Award honors Professor Carl L. Monosmith's 50-plus years of teaching and research contributions to pavement technology. The annual award recognizes outstanding research contributions in pavement engineering. The 2024 Carl L. Monosmith Lecture Award winner is Dr. Sohail Nazarian for his pioneering contributions in geotechnical and pavement engineering, unwavering commitment to education, and exceptional leadership in professional societies. His groundbreaking work in non-destructive testing and education has left an indelible mark, making him a distinguished figure in his domain. Dr. Nazarian is a professor in the Center for Transportation Infrastructure Systems at the University of Texas at El Paso. The Best Chapter Award recognizes a chapter's accomplishments in developing the local geotechnical community, providing quality technical training, conducting outreach to students and young professionals, and promoting the profession. The Delaware Valley chapter serves over 400 geoprofessionals and the geo industry in the Greater Philadelphia area. The bylaws and organizational structure developed by the inaugural DVGI Board of Directors has been used to guide the development of many other local GI groups across the country. The chapter's success has been due in part to the diversity of its members, which range from design engineers, contractors, material suppliers, university and research groups, and most importantly, students. All of these groups present at DVGI monthly meetings, keeping members engaged on the perspectives of the local community. The Chapter Achievement Award recognizes achievements of smaller or newer chapters, or chapters that have shown significant year-over-year improvement or growth. The winner of the 2024 Chapter Achievement Award is the National Capital Chapter. The Geo-Institute National Capital Chapter hosts monthly meetings from September through June each year and hosts a full-day annual symposium, as well as several younger member events, field trips, and webinars for members to attend. Each monthly meeting features a one-hour technical presentation, including speakers from academia and the profession. The National Capital Chapter developed a new academic outreach board position in 2023. The board now includes a staff member of George Mason University that acts as a liaison between the GMU civil engineering students and the Geo-Institute. In spring 2023, the chapter held a geotechnical symposium on case studies and lessons learned at George Mason University and made it free for students to attend. CEC and the Academy of Geoprofessionals would like to recognize and congratulate the 2024 class of board-certified geotechnical engineers. These individuals have demonstrated advanced skills and expertise in geotechnical engineering, strong ethics, and a commitment to lifelong learning and continued professional development, and are recognized as respected and credible professionals within the field of civil engineering. The success of the ASCE and GI Awards program depends on you, our members, to provide nominations of outstanding achievement in geotechnical engineering. Consider nominating a colleague for excellence in technical expertise, public or service. Full details on how to submit a nomination are available on the ASCE and GI websites. ASCE and the Geo-Institute are pleased to honor this year's award winners.